If you want to know how to rank on hashtags and go viral on Instagram, then this is the perfect video for you, so stay tuned and watch the whole video. So first of all, what does going viral mean actually? Going viral means to rank on hashtags or the explore page, but we are going to talk about the hashtags because I have ranked in so many hashtags and I have seen so much growth from that. And how actually do you rank on hashtags? I want to tell you that the most important thing is early engagement. Early engagement is the engagement you get early after posting. There are 4 times where Instagram decides how much reach your post will get: after 10 minutes, after 30 minutes, after 1 hour, and after 3 hours. And your goal is to get as much engagement as possible at these hours. But how do you actually get early engagement? There are many ways that you can get early engagement, and all of those ways work differently for each page. I will tell you what worked for my account personally, and I believe that it can work for you as well. First of all, the most important thing are engagement groups. I have used both free engagement groups and paid engagement groups. The paid ones are PP Network and Executive Mafia, but I have tried only Executive Mafia. About the free ones, you can find a lot of them on Instagram DMs and also on Telegram. To join those free engagement groups, you can go to bigger accounts and DM them a message and ask them if they use an engagement group and if they can invite you to that group. Or you can go to Google and search for free engagement groups for Instagram. Find some free engagement groups and see which ones you like most and keep using those consistently. So the point with the engagement groups is when you make a post and you upload it, you go immediately to your engagement groups, even if they are the free ones or the paid ones, and you do what you have to do. Just follow the rules that each engagement group has. Another good way to get early engagement is to use my comment strategy. For example, 15 to 30 minutes before posting, go to a relevant hashtag to your niche, go to recent posts and comment on as many posts as you can. And remember 2 things: don't copy paste because I have been action blocked for that and it looks spammy, and also don't spam in any way. Be authentic, be real, and comment something thoughtful. Also, a quick tip that many people seem to overlook is to answer to your comments. So when you upload that photo or video, go and answer to the new comments you get immediately. So let's say you have 10 comments in the first 15 minutes, and those 10 comments, if you respond to all of them, you can make them 20. And that's good because Instagram algorithm sees more engagement on your new post and it promotes it to more people. Another simple trick that you can do is actually using CTAs or call to action. Ask something that can be answered quickly without so much thought. Also, something you may already know is to upload a story with your recent post and tell your audience to go and like it. And the last thing I want to mention is posting viral content or content that has been already proven, which means that you go first of all and find the niche leaders of your own niche and find which content works for them and recreate it for your own brand. This way your post may have more probability to rank on hashtags because you can see that for the other pages this content has worked already and it is proven, so it can help you as well to get more likes and more followers. So today we learned that the most important thing to rank on hashtags and go viral on Instagram is actually early engagement, and we learned some tips and tricks that we can use in order to get that early engagement and then rank on hashtags that we already use. But if those tactics or strategies don't work for you, don't get discouraged in the beginning because it's always harder in order to get that snowball effect and then start getting more and more likes and more engagement. See what works for you and your page, see which strategies work best for you, and keep using those strategies. See what content your audience like most. Don't always use viral content because maybe your audience don't like that. So find that sweet spot for your posts, for your strategies and tactics that you are using in order to grow your account, and keep using those because this can help you a lot in the long run. Maybe you know that your account is growing better if you are using some other kind of content that your audience likes, and you're using different strategies, completely different strategies than those I mentioned in this video. So keep using those strategies and just test out some other different ones to see if something works for your page. And if something new works good for your page, then include that strategy to your older strategies or replace that new strategy with an older strategy that doesn't work that well. With that being said, if I delivered some value to you, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to support me as well. If you have any questions or maybe some different strategies you know that are good for you, let me know in the comments below. I will be more than happy to read all your comments and reply back. Thank you a lot for watching that video, and until the next time, see ya.